Hello guys and welcome back. This is Morris from the best online tutorials here, and in today's video I'll show you how to design a jersey in Canva step by step. So you can design a jersey by simply making use of Canvas templates. To do this, head over to the home, click on templates and search for jersey template. But please make sure you actually have a Canva account. If you do not have a Canva account, you're going to suffer because you actually need an account in order to export your designs. So please make sure you have your account present and accounted for. All right, so once you are on the template section and you've searched for jersey, you get to see all the templates that are available to be used and customized. Some of them are premium templates, while others are free. And all you need to do is differentiate between them and select the one you'd like to use or customize. Now, you may need to pay for the premium version for some jerseys. That's where you need to create your own jersey. So to do this, all you need to do is go over to the create option and click on create here. Once you select create, use the search to simply search for t-shirt and then go ahead and click on t-shirt. It's going to lead you to an untitled and empty blank canvas. And now all you need to do here is click on the Elements Hub at the top left. Once you selected the Elements Hub, go ahead and simply search for your t-shirt frame. Go ahead and click on t-shirt frame or type it in. Once you have done that, go ahead and drop the frame in to the picture or canvas, and then you can expand it as much as you want. Now, the next step is to simply search for all you need to do now is simply search for jersey design, and then you're going to be met with some graphics you can make use of. Now, I'm going to be selecting this particular graphic and using it on this canvas here, and then just line it up with the frame we had added, and voila, we have a jersey. Now, click on this and then click on color, and then you should be able to edit the colors of your jersey. If you're not seeing the option to edit, just click on edit again and then select adjust. Now, once you have selected adjust, scroll to the bottom and then you can change the colors of your kit by just dragging the hue all the way over to red and then increasing the saturation. So it kind of gives this orange color, and then you can also edit the other colors as well. You could make it a bit more sharper, and then for the last you can just change the saturation of it, and then it should look better than it looked before. All right, so once you're comfortable with the color scheme, you can now include numbers by simply typing in numbers in the element hub. Just type in numbers and click on enter. Once you have done this, go ahead and select a number you would like to include. We could go through the graphics and click on this. And now all you need to do is minimize it and you can place it anywhere and just simply change the color to something like blue or make sure it matches with the background of the shirt seamlessly. All right, guys, and you successfully designed your jersey. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And please, if you want to export, just click on share at the top right, click on download and download it either as a PNG or any kind of file type. Thank you.